Hey everyone, Mike Gilman here, founder of the Grooming Lounge, with another edition of our Grooming Lounge vlog, where we talk about what's going on in our business and what's happening in the future. As I've mentioned before, and as you hopefully know, Grooming Lounge is really broken down into three parts. We have our barbershops and spas, one in Washington, D.C. and one in Northern Virginia. We have our online destination at groominglounge.com. We also have Grooming Lounge custom formulated products. And all these different segments of our business work together, but they all have their unique set of goals and also their unique set of challenges. And so I'm going to go by them real quickly, one by one, and tell you what's going on and maybe any challenges that we're having, just being very open and honest in those areas. And if you have any suggestions or ideas for how we can make those better, we would certainly appreciate it, because ultimately we want to provide the finest guest experience possible, whatever platform you interact with Grooming Lounge on. So for our stores in Virginia and DC, business has been really good lately. Our biggest challenge in the stores is finding quality technicians to provide haircuts, skincare, nail services, etc. We have such a great team now, and the people who work and provide the services in our stores are our greatest asset. The biggest challenge, once again, is finding enough of them. We have tons of interviews and get a lot of people in the training program, but ultimately it's hard to find those people who we know will be here day in, day out, providing the great service that our guests deserve and demand. So we're always looking for really good people, and when we have them, we'll put them on the floor to provide great service for our guests. But it's hard to find them. Until then, the great people that we have will continue to be trained in an ongoing manner, and they're fabulous anyway, so they'll keep providing the level of service that you're accustomed to. One thing we're going to do in the store soon is come up with a point system, so our regular or frequent guests can earn points every time they come in that they can use towards services or products. Online, we've been doing a bunch of great stuff lately. We just went to the Internet Retailers Conference in Chicago, and you'll see a bunch of new things coming up very, very soon. More personalization online, new product lines, some from Grooming Lounge, which I'll talk about in a minute, but really only good stuff happening online. Biggest challenge in the online world is competing with the Amazons and a lot of the competitions that has come up of late. We think our real point of difference is that we provide exemplary service. We have a great selection, and we also are pretty much the only online platform that's backed by real barbershops and spas. So the advice we give and the products we recommend are all approved by our barbers and skincare experts and grooming experts in our stores. I don't know that many other sites can say that for themselves. Last but not least is our Grooming Lounge custom formulated products. We love these products. As we said, they are products that were created in our barbershop by real working barbers, not somebody who just got an MBA and said, wow, this men's grooming market is fantastic, I got to hop in on that. And the good news on this front is that we're coming out with some new products. I mentioned the other day that we just have our Grooming Lounge Greatest Pits back in stock, and that's a deodorant that's been selling like crazy. But we're also working on a Grooming Lounge fragrance. It's going to have a black pepper fragrance, very similar to our Best Smeller product. We're working on a Grooming Lounge lip balm, and then we also are coming out with, Grooming Lounge body wipes. So they're like shower sheets that guys can use if they are going to the gym and have to sprint out and aren't able to, take the full-on shower. So a lot coming down the pipeline, and that, really excited about the fragrance and having all of our products back in stock. So that's what's happening in Grooming Lounge. Hope that's helpful. Any feedback or insight is always very, very appreciated. Once again, our goal is to make men more confident and handsome and enhance your life as much as we can. And whatever we can do to do that better, we'd love to hear from you. Thanks for your time, and look forward to talking to you next time. Have you made it through 4 minutes and 20 seconds? If you have, kudos to you. Thanks. Talk again soon.